Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Miss Infinity. I'm Sadia Mahjibin Suba and today I'm here to dissect this fish and take out the air bladder. For this, first of all, we need to cut the belly part of the fish and we will start from the anal fin and we will go to the head. Okay, so I'm just cutting. We should be very careful at the time of cutting this part because the air bladder is very near to this belly portion. So yeah, I am cutting out the belly portion totally. We will cut out all of the fleshes because the more space we will get, the more easier will be taking out the air bladder. So yeah, I'm just cutting out the unnecessary part. Actually, it's not unnecessary. It's unnecessary for me. Okay. So yeah, I'm almost done to cut all of the fleshes. Yes, that was very uncomfortable because the fish was sleepy. Well, now I am taking out all of the trashes from the belly of the fish so that the air bladder could be visible very easily and I can take out the air sac easily. I am again cutting some fleshes from the fish. Well, yes, now we can see the air bladder, the white air bladder at the middle part of the fish. Yeah, I'm almost done. Okay, now clean the chamber properly so that I can take out it very easily. Well, I'm almost done, so I release the tail part of the air bladder. Now I will just set my forceps on the middle part of the air bladder so that it could be easier to take out the air bladder. Well, now I will hold the middle part with the forceps and I will round and yes, finally it comes out. Yeah. So yes, now take it on the slide and as you can see there are two chambers, frontal chamber and it is back chamber, and here we can also see a pneumatic duct and some retia mirabilis, the red color lines as you can see. So yeah, that was the dissection. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.